So in this problem, my friend and I had lunch and met up by the mini Trista water tower. Now we're going to walk home. If I live straight north from here, I'm going to go this direction and call that straight north. My friend is straight south, so the complete opposite direction. My friend's going here to their house. If we sketch this scenario here, it says here that I'm going to walk straight north. And once I get home, I look up at an angle of elevation of 25 degrees and see the tower, and the distance from the straight line distance from me to the tower here is going to be 5,000 feet. So when I sketch that, I'm walking home. I then look up at the tower. That is my 25 degrees. And the distance here is the 5,000 from me straight line to the tower. My friend is going to walk home straight south. When they get home, they're going to look up at an angle of elevation to see the tower. That's going to be the 50 degrees, and they are 700 feet from their straight line distance up to the tower. The question is, how far away do my friend and I live? So what we want to find is this distance right there. Now in here, since we do have a triangle, we can easily back into this third angle. A 180 minus the 75. This angle here is going to be 105 degrees. Now, SOHCAHTOA does not work in this case because it's not a right triangle, but this works lovely for law of cosines. I need this side length, and I have its corresponding angle, and then the other two sides. So let's set this up for law of cosines and solve it. To do that, it's going to be the side squared of x squared equals the 5,000 squared plus the 700 squared minus 2 times those two numbers of 5,000 and 700, and then we times that by the cosine of that embedded angle of 105 degrees. Now what I really needed to simplify this is I just need to crunch out this term here, this second term, and this is one long third term. If I do that, what I'm going to get is this. These values here, it's going to be this 5,000 squared, this 700 squared. And then be careful, all of these together actually comes out to be a negative number. So the 2 all the way to the cosine 105 is this negative value, but it's being subtracted. So really this becomes addition and should look like this. So to wrap it up, what I'm going to do now is just add up these 3 terms. And then the last thing is to get x squared by itself. I'm just going to come on in here and take the square root of both sides. And when I do that, I will get our final answer is going to be 5,225 feet, 0.1. So roughly a little under 1 mile is the distance.